let me introduce myself. My name is Aliffia Hilva Salsabila. People call me Via. I'm from Class A, Mathematics Education, with name K1323006. In this video, the story is that I will become a teacher. Serious? Okay, let's see. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi beloved students, back again with me, Miss Aliffia. Usual call Miss Via, who will help all students learn mathematics. Before starting, let's test our enthusiasm first. Cheerful mathematics, it's easy and you can do it. Yay! Okay, let's get started. So, what are we going to learn about today? Does anyone know? Well, Miss Via today will discuss the area and volume of three-dimensional. Okay, let's go. If you studied speech in middle school, know this material is the next stage. You actually often encounter examples of three-dimensional mathematics in everyday life. For example, when you open a cardboard package, open a can of fruit, and wear a birthday hat. Have you ever realized that these are all geometric figures that you have encountered in mathematics lesson? Well, all these geometric figures have three basic elements, namely points, angle, and planes. From these elements, we can find out the exciting distance and angles. Wow, what does that mean? Let's just discuss what three-dimensional mathematics is and its formulas. So, before Miss Via discusses the complete three-dimensional dimension mathematics material, it will be a good idea for you to first understand the meaning of this material. Basically, three-dimensional mathematics is the science that studies the elements of spatial figures such as sides, point, distance, and angles. Now, try looking at this picture. The cardboard package you received from the courier brother is actually a combination of more than two flat shapes, right? With this knowledge, we can find out the measurements of distance and angles in a plane. For example, the distance between points on the cardboard package you receive. For the example above, you can conclude that example of spatial buildings have three dimensions, namely cubes like cardboard. Then there are blocks, tubes, pyramids, and balls. Next, let's discuss area and volume. Surface area and volume are calculated from any three-dimensional geometrical shape. The surface area of any given object is the area or region occupied by the surface of the object, whereas volume is the amount of space available in an object. In geometry, there are different shapes, and such as separate cube, cuboid, cone, and cylinder. Each cube, cuboid, cone, and cylinder. Each shape has its surface area as well as volume, but in the case of two-dimensional figures like square, circle, rectangle, and triangle, we can measure only the area covered by these figures, and there is no volume available. Now let us see the formulas of surface areas and volumes for different three-dimensional. What is surface area? The space occupied by a two-dimensional flat surface is called the area. It is measured in square units. The area occupied by a three-dimensional object by its outer surface is called the surface area. It is also measured in square units. Generally, area can be of two types. For the first, total surface area, and second, curved surface area or lateral surface area. For the first, total surface area. Total surface area refers to the area including the base or bases and the curved part. It is the total area covered by the surface of the object. If the shape has a curved surface and base, then the total area will be the sum of the two areas. Second, curved surface area or lateral surface area. Curved surface area refers to the area of only the curved part of the shape including its base or bases. It is also referred to as lateral surface area for shapes such as a cylinder. What is a volume? The amount of space measured in cubic units that an object or substance occupies is called volume. Two-dimensional doesn't have volume but has area only. For example, the volume of the circle cannot be found, just the volume of the shepherd can be. It is so because a shepherd is a three-dimensional shape. Surface area and volume formulas. Okay, we'll go inside. Surface area and volume formulas. Okay, for the first, we have a cube. Cube have total surface area is 6 times s square. And cube have volume. The volume is s cube, right? Second, we have rectangular prism. Rectangular prism have volume is L times W times H and have surface area is 2 times L times H plus 2 times H times W plus 2 times W times H. Third, we have a cone. A cone have total surface area is V times radius times S plus V times radius square. And the volume is 1 divided 3 times B times H. Next, triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid have a total surface area is sum of the area of all the faces and have volume is 1 divided 3 times B times H. And then triangular prisms. Triangular prisms have a total surface area is 2 times B plus 2 times P. And the volume is B times H. Okay, next. The name is cylinder. Cylinder have total surface area is 2 times V times radius parenthesis R plus H. The lateral surface area is 2 times V times radius times H. And the volume is V times radius square times H. Well, next is sphere. Sphere have a total surface area is 4 times V times radius square. And lateral surface area is 4 times V times radius square. And the volume is 4 divided 3 times V times radius cube. And the last hemisphere. The total surface area is 3 times V times radius square. And lateral surface area is 2 times V times radius square. And the volume is 2 divided 3 times V times radius cube. Okay, next we're going to solve it examples. Examples 1, I have the question. The question is, what is the surface area of a cuboid with length, width, and height equal to 4.4 cm, 2.3 cm, and 5 cm, respectively? Okay, for the first solution, we given the dimensions of cuboid area. A cuboid R, length is L equal 4.4 cm, width is W equal 2.3 cm, and height is H equal 5 cm. Surface area of cuboid is 2 the first 2 times W times L plus H times L plus H times W equal 2 times parenthesis 2 times 3 times 4.4 plus 5 times 4.4 plus 5 times 2.3 equal 87.24 square centimeter. Okay, next. Okay, so that we understand better, let's go to example question number 2. The question is, what is the volume of a cylinder whose base radius are 2.1 cm and height is 30 cm? Solution given. Radius of bases is radius or r equal 2 times 2.1 cm. Height of cylinder equal 30 cm. And there we got volume of cylinder is V times r radius square times h equal V times 2.1 square times 30 equal 416. Yay! Okay, beloved students, that's enough for today's lesson. I hope what Miss Fia said can be understood, okay? Miss Fia is closed. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.